Let's kick off our list with something that might look pretty ordinary at first glance. A simple kitchen island. But don't be fooled. Hidden inside is a genius design that turns this compact console into a massive dining table. In its smallest form, it's just 19.6 inches deep and 36 inches wide, the perfect size for tight apartments. But when you need extra space, it expands to over 10.5 feet in length, seating up to 14 guests with ease. The magic comes from its smart features. A self-storing compartment that holds up to 5 extension leaves, a rotating center support that doubles as storage, and a twist lock system that keeps the panels steady. Following the same concept, this kitchen island from Smart Space also comes with an expanding table. While it doesn't quite reach the same impressive length as the previous one, it still delivers where it matters most, giving you that extra surface whenever you need it. But Smart Space doesn't stop at kitchens. They specialize in a wide range of space-saving, multi-purpose designs for every room in the house. Take this concealed table, for example. At first, it serves as a cabinet, but with just a few adjustments, it transforms into a full extendable dining table. Continuing with the kitchen, let's look at something that takes convenience to the next level: the kitchen electric pull-down storage basket shelf lift. This innovative system is all about making the most of your vertical space. Built right into your cabinets, it automatically lowers and lifts baskets at the push of a button, so you can easily reach items that would normally be stuck in high or deep shelves. Next up, we're stepping outside the kitchen, literally, with the Bcompact bamboo folding staircase. This isn't just a staircase, it's part furniture, part artwork, and part engineering masterpiece. Designed for spaces that normally wouldn't even fit a staircase, it folds neatly away when not in use. And with its patented retractable folding mechanism, this staircase is the perfect example of how even large structures can embrace space-saving innovation. Who says vintage pieces can't save space? This unique armchair from the 1950s proves otherwise. At first glance, it looks like a classic retro seat. But thanks to its clever folding function, it transforms into a full chaise longue in just a few simple steps. From the same company, Mid-Century Friends, comes another stunning piece: a beautiful sofa straight from the 1960s. Manufactured by Knoll Antimott, this sofa is built on a solid cherry wood frame, stained in a warm golden teak finish. For all the arts and crafts lovers out there, this one's for you. Meet the modern MiniBox by CraftFurniture, your new creative best friend. Designed to keep all your supplies neatly organized, it helps you cut down on clutter the moment you finish a project. But it doesn't stop there. This compact piece also doubles as a functional workspace, giving you the perfect spot to create without taking up half the room. Think a sofa is just for sitting? Think again. The Doppio is a stylish, multi-purpose sofa bed that transforms in under a minute. With a smooth, sliding slatted frame tucked under the seat and a mattress that unfolds effortlessly, turning it into a bed is almost effortless. Even the cushions pull double duty as pillows, making it the perfect solution when guests arrive and you need an extra bed fast. Best of all, the Doppio looks and feels fantastic whether you're lounging during the day or sleeping through the night. Now here's something truly extraordinary. The Sunball lounge chair isn't just furniture. It's a rare design classic and a collector's dream. Only about 50 of these were ever produced between 1969 and 1971, making it one of the most exclusive lounge chairs in the world. Created by designers Günther Ferdinand Ries and Herbert Seldorf, this sculptural masterpiece built from 2 half-spherical shells. It can be opened, rotated, and locked in almost any position, creating your own private cocoon of comfort. Close it completely, and it shields you from wind and rain, making it ideal for outdoor relaxation. And if your apartment doesn't have a balcony or enough space to dry clothes, the Hooeasy lifting auto laundry rack is about to change the game. This smart, ceiling-mounted system is perfect for modern urban living, combining a sleek clothes rack with motorized functionality. With the push of a button, or even through a mobile app, you can raise or lower the rack effortlessly. Made from durable, rust-proof aluminum alloy, it comes with multiple retractable rods that can hold everything from shirts to blankets. Next, let's meet a piece that literally has character. The crooked neck cabinet isn't just furniture, it's a conversation starter. With its playful lines, it almost seems to be saying, "Hello, how are you?" Moving upwards, let's take a look at how Murphy Larkin transforms even the hardest-to-reach spaces with their innovative attic stairs. Every model comes with an insulated door, draft seals, and a 10-year warranty, all finished in crisp white on both sides for a clean look. First up is the Thermo model, complete with grip feet and a safety handrail for effortless and secure use. Then there's the Deluxe, designed to reach ceilings up to 11 feet high, making it perfect for taller spaces. For commercial or heavy-duty needs, the aluminum model offers unmatched durability. And for those tight landing areas, the Space Saver model is a clever, compact solution. Next, let's talk about work made smarter. The drop-down computer desk is a sleek solution that elevates any home office. During the day, it gives you a practical workspace with everything you need. But once the work is done, simply fold it up, and just like that, your office disappears, leaving your space clean and clutter-free. Here's something truly creative. This prototype takes a snake's chair and transforms it into a stunning rocking chair, blending clever design with pure innovation. It's a brilliant showcase of Scandinavian design at its finest. Simple, functional, yet full of character. But here's a question. If this prototype ever comes to life, would you buy it? Not all space-saving designs are for indoors. Some protect what's most valuable outside. The motorcycle garage is built to shield your bike from harsh weather, theft, and even vandalism, while also giving you extra room to store tools and accessories. What makes it truly impressive is its flexibility. It's space-saving, portable, and comes in two versions: freestanding or wall-mounted, with variable sizes to fit nearly every motorcycle type, whether street bike, enduro, or motocross. And outdoor innovation doesn't stop there. Meet the Alessandro Isola outdoor kitchen. It's made of 2 blocks. The lower block doubles as a bench with hidden storage, while the upper metal block transforms depending on your needs. When closed, it works as a casual standing lounge area. But with a simple sliding motion, it opens up to reveal a fully functional kitchen. Wrapping things up, we're heading to Germany, where Möbelegger brings us a brilliant range of sofa beds with more hidden talents than you'd expect. By day, they're perfect for everyday lounging, whether it's channel surfing, curling up with a book, or simply relaxing. By night, they transform into cozy sleeping spaces for family, friends, or last-minute guests. Sure, sleeper sofas might not always be thought of as the most glamorous furniture out there, but these designs prove otherwise.